What exactly is a histogram?
Oh, a histogram is an approximate representation of the distribution of numerical data.
Let me explain. In photography, the histogram is a graph that shows how much darkness and how much brightness is in your image. Your dark tones or shadows appear towards the left side of the graph, midtones are in the middle, and your highlights are towards the right. Here's an image that mostly midtones. There's not a lot of dark or bright areas in this picture. Look at the histogram. Do you see how the graph is thick in the middle but not on the right or left sides? Now here's a shot of ravens in the snow. No midtones here, just shadows and highlights. See how the graph is thick on the left and right but not in the middle? Your camera most likely has an option to see the histogram for each shot that you take.
So who cares about seeing a histogram? It's not like it's an EKG.
No, but like an EKG, it can alert you to a big problem. If your histogram shows shadows or highlights bunching up to the side, to the edge of the graph, that means parts of your image will have no detail, zero, zip. This is especially important if you want to print the pictures. The printer won't print anything wherever the highlights are blown out, and it will print solid black wherever the shadows have no detail. Here's an image of a white guitar and the histogram. What if the histogram looked like this? This shows highlight clipping and would alert you that your picture will be blown out. In other words, you will have areas of white with no detail. The same holds true for shadows or your dark tones. You can't always tell how the final image will be when you're taking the shot, and this is where your histogram can save the day. By looking at your histogram, you can tell if you need to make adjustments to your settings so that you can get the detail you want in your images. Would you like to know how to find your histogram on your camera? Come into Horn Photo and talk with our experts. Got the picture?